So if you want to use remove.bg on mobile in 2026, yeah, it's actually super easy. You can remove backgrounds, edit images, and download everything right from your phone. First, open your mobile browser and go to remove.bg. You can also use the app if it's installed. Now tap Upload Image and choose a photo from your gallery. It can be a selfie, product shot, or anything you want. Next, wait a few seconds while the tool automatically removes the background for you using AI. Now zoom in and check the edges carefully. Look at hair, corners, and small details to make sure everything looks clean. If something looks off, tap Edit and use the Erase or Restore tool to fix it quickly. Next, you can change the background to a solid color, gradient, or even upload a custom image. Now tap Download to save your image in high quality directly to your phone gallery. Finally, use your edited image for social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, product listings, or anything else. And that's it. Remove.bg on mobile makes background removal fast, simple, and super convenient.